What's up, YouTube? This is your boy, Christian Digital, and I'm back with a special edition today. This is one of my favorite places to eat out here, and we are in Colorado Springs. We have a local donut shop called, as you can see, Amy's Donuts. Y'all forgive that glare right there, but I wanted y'all to see. I had to cut the light on it so y'all can really see the details of these donuts. These are going to be fantastic, okay? So, without further ado, I'm just going to open these up and let y'all see the greatness here. Let's slowly open up the box. Let's not just reveal it all fast here. Yes, it's poetry, baby. Poetry in motion. All right. Tell me that you do not want one, and I will call you a lie. Just joking. Just joking. Well, let's get a closer look at this greatness here. All right, I don't remember what all these are called. Most of them, but I don't know what this bottom, the one on the bottom left here is called. Okay, well, I'm going to start up here at the top left. This one, peanut butter and jelly donut. They call this one the maple bacon donut. My favorite. This is the Reese's Pieces donut. This one's the maple nut. Got the nuts on it. Got to have protein with it. Just a little protein. 2 protein donuts. This one right here is my second favorite. This is what is it? The peanut butter. Not peanut butter. The Butterfinger. Butterfinger donuts, guys. Butterfinger donut. That's awesome. And that's one I can't remember. Oh, I remember. It's called the Heart Attack. The Heart Attack donut. Now, I know it's strange. Why would you eat a donut that's named after that? But, why not, man? This is Christian Digital, man. We're entrepreneurs. We take risks in this world, okay? All right, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to pick 3 of these. And I haven't had it in a while. So let's just say I don't really remember the taste, or I haven't described the taste to anyone like this. So, just to give y'all a clue, I'm going to bite into one and tell you my thoughts on it. So I'm gonna pick let's go with the Reese's up here. Let's go and take a little bite, and let's look at this art right here real quick before I eat it. It's just great detail, it's great everything about it. So I'm gonna take a bite of this and let's just see what's going on. So sweet. My goodness, that is so sweet. My insulin is spiking so high right now. Okay, that's great. Not my favorite one. It's just overwhelmingly sweet. And I'm sure all of them are, but it was good. It was good. Okay, let me go to the next one. Which one? Let's go with this bacon one right next to it. Get a closer look at that. This is maple bacon, which is amazing. Yeah, I had these before, but just want to bite it and describe it to you, okay? I know you want some. I know you do. Just joking. Let's go ahead and take a bite out of this one. The sweet. I love the sweet and the saltiness of this. Awesome. It's freaking awesome. Man. I don't think there's anything that really beats that one. Whew, that was good. I want to eat. I want to take another bite of that one later. But what's the next one I'm going to do? Let's go with this one. The Butterfinger. Yes. This one looks really sweet. It's going to be great. Yeah, let's go. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. But out of all these 3, this one is my favorite. I love it. I'm going to take another one out of this one. 2 more bites, man. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna go bite into 3 of them. I can't bite into the rest. I gotta give those away. If you want one of these, leave a like in my video. I'm sorry that the greatness of that donut just has me lost for words. Don't even know what to say. But guys, this is my short Amy's Donut review, special edition of Christian Digital. You guys have a great night. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos where I actually review electronic stuff, because that's what this channel is about. We review digital products all day. So yeah, check out my other videos. I have the links in the description. All my headphone reviews have those links in the description. And give me a like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you want one of these donuts. Might get them to you. Okay? Well, y'all have a blessed night. I love you all. Remember, anything is possible. We can do all things. Just focus. Have your mindset right. Have a vision. And everything will manifest before you. Okay? Peace. Y'all have a good night.